Hello everyone, welcome back to another box break by Purple Valley on eBay. This is the last team that sold for us, which was Edmonton Oilers, sold for $12. It was paid for promptly, September 10th. There's a few people who didn't pay too quickly, so I had to admit two of them, so they're not in the box break. But everyone else that is, good luck to you. Here's the box of rookies. Box number NE 181170220. These are nice boxes that just come out, 2011-12. Hopefully everyone gets some good cards. There's always good hits in these boxes. I want to remind everyone I have another box of this on eBay. Make sure you guys check that out. Empty box. Good luck to everyone. Upside down. Vancouver, Buffalo, New York Rangers. There's the first hit for Anaheim Mighty Ducks, Rookie Treasure. Dual jersey autograph, Peter Holland. Card number 161, that's a nice rookie card. Number 388 out of 499. Vancouver and Ottawa. New Jersey, Florida Panthers. There's a Pinnacle rookie. Goalie for Florida Panthers. Decoy. Columbus Blue Jackets, Minnesota Wild. Nashville, the Islanders, Dallas. Here's a dual rookie. Buffalo Sabres, this one will go to. Buffalo's on top, Washington's on the bottom. Draft year, card number 34. Nice dual jersey. Tampa Bay and Pittsburgh. Winnipeg, Vancouver. There's another rookie from Pinnacle for Buffalo. Decoy, the Ducks, and Boston. Ottawa, Dallas. There's another rookie for Minnesota Wild. Decoy. Phoenix and the Capitals. Carolina, Florida. There's another rookie for Winnipeg. Decoy. Philly and Vancouver. Calgary, New Jersey, Calder Contender for Florida Panthers, number 758 out of 999. That's Panini, Brian Foster. Decoy, Buffalo, and Boston. St. Louis, Chicago, Pittsburgh. Oh, that's a very nice one. Gustav Nyquist for the Red Wings. Rookie silhouette. There's an autograph from Crown Royal. Number 45 out of 99. That's for Detroit. There's another Detroit and Florida. Anaheim, Winnipeg. There's a rookie out of Certified for Buffalo, Corey Trop. Rookie autograph. Carolina, New York Rangers. Detroit, Toronto Maple Leafs. For the Anaheim Ducks, that's a rookie royalty. Nope, not numbered. Decoy. Chicago and Winnipeg. And the final pack. Out of Crown Royal, autograph for Columbus of Thomas Kabulik, Columbus Blue Jackets. It's not numbered. Card number 142. Autograph. Well, thanks everyone so much for getting your payments in so quickly. Sorry about the one person that didn't. He was omitted, so his cards, I guess, will stay to me, and I'll put them up on with the next box break. We'll have another box of this up. Make sure you guys tune in and pick some up. Thanks a lot. And I'll get these shipped out right away.